Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. During this Holy Week, I thought of sharing with you all a popular South Indian recipe which we usually prepare during this Holy Week and also on some special occasions. It's a steamed rice cake which is also called as Vattayappam. Now the main ingredients are rice. You can also use rice flour, but here I soaked 2 cups of rice overnight and also half a cup of cooked rice. Now if you don't have cooked rice at home, you can use 1 slice of bread soaked in water. I'm also adding some grated coconut into this and 2 tablespoons of sugar. I just want to add some sugar, that's it, just to enhance the taste. Now if you want to increase the sweetness and just have it plain rice cake, then you can add more sugar into this. But we will be having this with some spicy curry like chicken curry or egg curry. Now here I'll share a secret tip with you all to get some soft and fluffy rice cakes. Nothing much, take 1 or 2 tablespoons of batter into a pan, add some water to this and cook it in the low flame till it becomes a semi-solid. Keep stirring it consistently so that it doesn't stick at the bottom. And after that, once you turn off the flames, leave it to cool down completely. We can shift it into a wider platter to cool down faster, and later we need to add it to the second set of batter which we're going to prepare. Same thing, the rice, coconut and also this mixture we'll be adding and mixing it well. Now the batter is ready. Into this goes some yeast, little sugar and also little salt. If you have instant yeast, you can use that as well. And once you mix all these ingredients, leave it aside and let it ferment. It might take 1 hour or 2 hours depending on your room temperatures. In the next 1 hour, the batter was ready to use. If you want, you can leave it for another 2 hours to ferment. You'll see better results. Now on the other hand, I put the steamer on the stove and I took a wider bowl like this and spread some ghee at the bottom. If you have some steel plates at home, you can use them as well. But because I don't have a smaller steel plate, I'm just going for this. Now into this I'm adding 3 to 4 spoons of batter and this will go inside the steamer. So the first 5 minutes it should be cooked on the high flame and later you can reduce the flame to medium and low and cook it for another 10 minutes maximum. It won't take too long. However, keep checking in between and use a fork if required. And when you feel it's completely ready, let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes and only then shift it to a different bowl. Otherwise, it won't come out very well. It may stick at the bottom. Now for a change, if you want, you can add some ghee roasted raisins or cashews, badam, anything you want. Now the steam cooked rice cakes are ready. You can serve them hot with your family and enjoy. If you add more sugar to this, you can eat it as a sweet dish. But since I added very less sugar, we can also have it with spicy curry, as I told you, like chicken or egg curry. Also, it goes very well with green peas and chickpeas curry if you are a vegetarian. We normally make it during the Holy Week and also on special occasions. So, if possible, do try it and enjoy with your family. We ordered this banana leaf which you're seeing in this video from Amazon. It gives you that special, authentic, and also the traditional feel. So, thanks for watching this video. Do keep us in your prayers and have a blessed Holy Week. See you all in another vlog. Bye.